screeners, today we're gonna play Geometry Dash Part 9. And it's been 2 months since we haven't played GD, but current gameplay 2 is not been verified, so let's try and beat it. Damn, what the fuck? Whoa! Kahit si Zerg, di niya kaya to eh. Hey, that shit fire though, right? Let's go. No, this shit hard, mo. What the fuck? You! Bro, why the fuck do I suck? Come on, let me beat this shit. Let's go. Gumagalaw, naka-record ako. Nako!
Hey, galing. Perfect.
Second day I was in school because I'm a good boy. Okay, let's see this shit, man. Bro, this wave part is so hard. Like, what? I keep dying on the ball part. Wait. I'm a big dog, big bear. Oh, what? Okay, and then this part, okay? I'm gonna showcase the level, okay? This is what the level looks like when you complete it. And then there's gonna be a static real gameplay version 2. But I'm gonna show you the Easter eggs, right? Okay, this part. Oh, okay. No. Okay. Fire in the hole is not my thing. Okay, and then this part. If you miss. Oh. Wait. You have to click. Die right now. Jump. Fine, okay? You die from that guy, okay? Next Easter egg is from this guy right here. Got it, partner. See, you die from the three spikes, okay? So, that's the Easter egg stuff, you know. Yeah, that's the only good. I see ice. See, that ball part is so hard, bro. I had to nerf it 4 times. 4 times, ah! I have to nerf the shit ball part 4 times just to make it possible. Please verify this level, please, bro. Make this official. Okay. You have a chance, bro. Let me focus, bro. Let me focus. Okay, let's go. Stupid Nick. $50 hole. This shit. Let's see the info. The gameplay sucks. Hey, let's go. Let's see shit. Basically, version 2 is like buff, yeah. See, bro, that's 9 circles. I might be cooking here. Okay, you get it, right? Bro, don't like the level, bro. I know. Let's verify this shit, man. How many attempts is this? 600 attempts. 7, okay. 721 attempts, okay? Bro, I think I have to nerf that part. Oh no, that has to be an extreme demon. Chat, do I have to nerf this part? Okay, I need to nerf that part, bro.
Jumping through life, no time for the strife. All about the hustle, trying to survive in the streets of the city where dreams come alive. The five prisoners always striving to thrive.
Let me focus! Let me view! Ah! What the Sigma? We're not dying today. Yeah, I can just take place. Press start. You. Let's go, oh god, bro, I'm very fine. Shit. No, this gotta be a demon, bro. Is it a demon or insane, bro? That's gotta be insane, bro. And let's go. We upload the level, bro. Alright, let's see. Reset. Real gameplay version 2 by Jobs 30. Hey, this is the ID. What's the ID? Yo, this is the ID shit. No, where's the fucking ID? Yeah, this is the ID. 1138 30 946. This shit good, bro. Oh god. Let's go, bro. Subscribe because at 740 subscribers, I will do a 100-day Minecraft challenge. Subscribe.